Guys, look at this endgame. How many times have you ended up stalemating your opponent from such a winning position? You definitely don't want a draw, you want to win this, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple step-by-step strategy to easily win such a queen endgame. Let's get straight into it. Your first aim is to drag the opponent's king to a corner. Now, how do you decide which corner you need to go for? To keep it simple, I would advise you to go for a corner where your king does not interfere, which means a corner which is far away from your king. For example, in this game, don't go for this corner since your king is close to it. You can go for any other corner you like. In this game, let's drag this black king to this corner. Once you have decided on the corner, the next step is to get your queen to a square that is a knight's jump away from the opponent's king. Let's do that. Since we are targeting to get the king to this corner, we will aim to get our queen on this side and then push him in this direction. So let me go here first. If you see, we have formed a box like this so the king can't escape out. Now we need to get our queen a knight's jump away from the king. So we can play any of these two moves. Let's play queen d3. And this is how we are a knight's distance away from the king, keeping him within this box. The next step is quite simple. You need to just copy whatever move black plays from here. If he moves up, we also move up. If he goes down, we go down. If he moves diagonally, we do the same. It's quite straightforward. We just keep following him, maintaining a knight's distance. You need to keep doing this until he touches the corner. If you notice, the box keeps getting smaller and smaller with every move, and black is left with very little options. Ultimately, you will reach this position when the king touches the corner. That's where you need to stop. Don't follow him now, otherwise it will be a stalemate like this. Ultimately, we will keep these two squares for the black king to move and bring our own king into the game. The important thing is that you need to keep your king outside this box. Just don't get him inside this, otherwise it could be a problem. The best square to get your king would generally be the one diagonally opposite to the corner square. This is how it looks for each of these four corners. So let's get him there. Black will keep moving back and forth since he has no other squares to go. Finally, our king is there, and now you deliver the final blow with your queen by moving it to this square, which is one square diagonal from the corner, and it's a checkmate. This is where your queen will be for each of these four corners. This is the most basic example of the helper checkmate where the king defends the queen and helps her out to deliver this checkmate. Now sometimes you might also end up in this position where you have two queens. I know this should be quite an easy win, but still I have seen many new players end up stalemating their opponent. See, in this type of a game, you don't need any help from your king. You can use both your queens to finish the game off. You don't even need to drag the opponent's king to a corner. You just need to drag him to any of these sides, and that's good enough. The most important thing I advise all beginners is that they keep giving checks so that the question of a stalemate does not even arise. Your simple strategy should be to keep blocking off lines with your queens and then finally checkmate your opponent on any side of the board, just like this. You can go this side as well, and ultimately, after a series of checks like this, you can simply checkmate your opponent. Okay, now I have a fantastic puzzle for you to solve. But before that, I have some exciting news for all you chess lovers. Let me remind you that Unacademy, one of the leading online education platforms, has launched a dedicated portal for chess training. No matter whether you're a beginner or an advanced chess player, they have courses designed for everyone. You can enjoy over 200 hours of new live content every month. And the most amazing part is that they have top educators and grandmasters like Vishwanathan Anand, Vidit Gujarati, Praveen Thipse, and many more. So get the Unacademy subscription to learn from them and improve your game. More grandmasters and educators will be joining soon. By the way, Unacademy is giving a special Teachers' Day discount for all new members. All you have to do is log on to the Unacademy chess section, click on Get Subscription, and for the promo code, type Unacademy. And there you go. You get the premium content only for 99 rupees for the first month. This offer is valid only for today, so go and subscribe now. You will find all the links in the description box below. Okay, so here's a chess puzzle for you all. It is White's turn and you need to find the best move continuation for White. Do share your answers in the comment section below. If you like this, then you should watch this video as well, which is a step-by-step tutorial on how to checkmate with 2 bishops in the endgame. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe and join our channel to become a member. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.